Under the heading of Features of a Business Research Report, there are many subheadings, and we have turned each one of the subheadings into very short and very straightforward classes. And this is yet another one. This one looks at the research objectives. You'll see from the bottom right hand corner of your screen that there are only 8 slides in the class, and the material itself is very straightforward, so really nothing very much to worry about in this class. So research objectives. Well, first of all, set out the purpose of the project. What is the purpose of the project? Set that out. This helps with the decision-making process. If we know what the purpose of the project is, then the decision-making process follows on from that. If we haven't got a clear statement of the purpose of the project, then we can't have a clear set of rules for decision-making. We can't set out the decision-making process clearly because we don't know where we're going. The purpose of the project also helps focus on the outcomes and reduce costs associated with the process of decision-making. So if we know what the purpose of the project is, then we can focus in on the outcomes of the project and also see if there are ways of reducing the costs associated with the decision-making process. So it's advantageous to set out the purpose of the project clearly. It also enables a wide perspective of the relevant environment and help to identify new opportunities. If we know what the purpose of the project is, we can look at the relevant environment. What is the project looking at? What's the purpose of the project? So we can make sure that we're covering precisely what's intended, what the project is intended to do, and to look for the opportunities associated with that area. So a well-planned research objectives, or a well-planned research piece of work, helps to minimize the possibility of failure. If the research objectives are clearly stated, clearly set out and clearly thought about, then the possibility of failure is greatly reduced, so that the work can be undertaken and valid results can be achieved, which will help in the decision-making process. I did say at the start that this was a short class, and I said it was a very straightforward class. And really what we've got on the screen is all we need to do on this particular topic. So that introduces the research objectives, which are a part of the features of a business research report. So that's it for now. So thank you for watching.